question says a company purchases component A from Germany and component B from USA. Component A forms 30% of total production cost and component B forms 50% of total production cost. So the rest of 20% will be formed by others. Now let's take the total production cost is 100. So the cost of A will be 30, the cost of B will be 50 and cost of others will be 20. Now the question says the German index is increased by 30% and US dollar is increased by 22%. So the new cost of A will be 30% of 30 means 9. 30 plus 9 means 39. And 22% of 50 is 11. 50 plus 11, 61. Look, cost of others is unaltered. So it will remain same. It will be 20 only. So the new production cost will be 120. And we have been given that at this stage company earns the profit of 20%. So the selling price here will be 120. Now the question says we cannot increase the selling price more than 10% and we have to maximize the profit at this stage, means at 120 CP. So the 10% increase on selling price will give me 132. So the maximum selling price at this stage will be 132 and the cost price is 120. So profit will be 132 minus 120. So the profit percentage will be 12 divided by cost price. Cost price is 120 into 100. So the profit percentage will be